Hey guys, this is Darius, so I just back here with you another vlog. This is only my second vlog, so probably won't be that good, but my first vlog was only like a week ago. I have these scooters here. So this is my scooter. It's not really that cool, but I have to do. And then this is my brother's scooter, my friend Hopper's scooter, and my friend and my other brother Colton, he's coming. And his scooter is the red one there. So yeah, we're just gonna have a drive around, go to the school, go on the playground.
Have a scooter around, not a drive.
Yeah, and then wreak some havoc. Okay, let's go. So guys, we're just at the dairy. Sucks that the dairy's closed. The school's just up that way.
Up there.
And so we're just gonna ride up to the school on our scooters. Hi guys, so now we're at the school. This is the school.
My old school.
This is the school I went to for like 1 year because I moved from Papakura, Obieki school. So I went here for 1 year for year 6, and yeah, you'll get the rest. So now we're just gonna have a little play, have some fun, and then go that way where there's a massive field, public field.
The direction.
And then like that way there's like, you can also go that way.
There's like a swimming pool on that, eh?
Yeah, there's like an inside swimming pool there. So yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
The ring on it, cause I pulled out $1 million cash, all I prank on it.
So guys, we just finished playing on the playground. We're gonna go up this way because I think there's another playground, can't remember. And there's water fountain, so have a drink.
Yep.
So guys, Hopper's just gonna attempt a trick off the slide. So here it is. Supreme. So yeah, we're just gonna go play on the field. So hey guys, we've gone into this, like, it's near the school. There's like a little bushery. You can walk through, you can drive through with your bikes. There's a little A symbol thing there. I'm not sure what it
Can I
is.
say something for the vlog? There are these two idiots following us, and I'm not joking, I will beat their asses.
Yeah, we're gonna
I'm
ask them.
actually gonna knock them out.
We're gonna ask them nicely, and if they don't leave, or if they keep on pissing us off, we're gonna ask them a second time. And if they don't respond nicely to that, and they just keep on following us, we're just gonna end up probably knocking them out. So
That's not even a joke, guys.
yeah, like I'm like we're getting sick of them. Like,
Let's go back to the
and there's also like this pathway down here, where you can there's like at least like a road, and then this way goes to the school field, and then this way is up to the field we were just on. So yeah, see you soon. So guys, we just finished coming back from the school. Might just go home now, go on Hopper's VR headset. We're just standing underneath the Ray White roof.
Because it started raining, look at those clouds.
Yeah, I'm not getting paid for this either, so Ray White, you owe me money. So
Ray
my
White.
house, we're just gonna go that way, go right around there. My house is massive, by the way.
We're probably gonna record the VR headset.
Yeah, might add a little bit of a clip in there. We might film it for a next video, but we might have a little bit of a sneak peek in there for you guys. So yeah, when we get home, I'll start recording again. Bye. So guys, started to rain, and this is a pond right near my house. My house is just like right up there, not that one there, but like around there. And look, this is way down more than usual. It used to be like, on rainy days, it used to be like over the bridge. And look at all these ducks here. Hello! I named that one Franklin.
I named that one Cocoa Pops with grey on top.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna carry on until we get back to my house. Then I'll show you my dog.
Yeah, doggies. I like doggies.
Dogs are the best.
Yep, dogs.
It is rain all over this camera.
I am pretty much soaked. I'm so glad my bag is shut.
Hey, about that. Dog. Run. You at my house. That one there. I live down like a long driveway. So
Oh god, it's so slippery.
yay, look at my dog. Got you. That's my room. I was gonna show you guys my dog. So might just need to clean the camera off, but give me a moment. Okay, hi, how are you? You good? Okay. So now I'm just gonna show you my dog. And maybe my parents.
Look, the dog's inside.
Look, she's inside. You're not allowed inside. Come on, outside. Come on. Come on, Shady. Come on. Look at her.
Have the camera on her.
Her name is Shady. She's so cute. Hello, Shady. Hello, Shady. So yeah, it's my dog. This is my parents. Say hi. Alrighty then, my dad doesn't seem that happy about cameras, but okay.
Point it on my bag. I've got a mystery. I'm Mary Poppins. Look, what's gonna come out today? Wait.
I'm gonna scare my brother. Boom! Got you! So yeah, so guys, that's the end of the vlog for today. Might put one next week, maybe 2 weeks time, but it's gonna take a while to edit. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!